Okay, you can talk to us. Please silence, so I can hear him. Silence, please.
My name is Eze Daniel Onyejuwaka. I am the chairman of Etiti Ngwo Central Executive. We are here this morning because of the attitude. One of the principal appointed officers of Enugu State, by name, Prince Chiweta Almatu, the MD of Angels, the attitude is met into the people of Etiti Ngwo. Before now, we have complained to the government. There is a property called Agogo, Ishama and Edemi land of Etiti, which the people of Etiti Ngwo went to court. The people of Akamu in Abuke. This matter has been decided as far back as 2023. In fact, the community has gone to the boundary committee to report that what they are now asking for is for the state government to come and delimit the boundary. We've gone to the boundary committee. They have given their verdict that everything that is contained in the dispute land of that land will be given to Etiti Ngwo. And whatever else is remaining, no matter how much the land, will be left for the people of Abuja. So the matter has been long resolved. What now came up is the so-called man called Chiweta Almatu, who is the MD of Angels. By the virtue of his appointment and from the records setting up that institution, his record is aimed at collecting information, data on land in Enugu State, and as well collecting revenue. When he came to that place, we went to him, showed him the layout plan of that place, gave him the dispute plan and the court judgment went to court. And he now asks that the people who have their land there should be registered. Coincidentally, everybody has been obeying that order because we are part of the government and we never fight government. We appreciate everything that we do. That is why we are not against any revenue of any kind we want to collect. The people in question is Angels. Angels have come with BPE. After some little argument, BPE stepped aside. This time around, he went and brought the chairman of Enugu South local government, Keleban. And they are saying that they are building smart school. That they are building smart school in the same land. The funny thing about this land that they have gone to demolish people's houses. The land he demolished was registered under his agency. The owners have paid the 30% infrastructure fee he's demanding for. Yet, without a court order, without a pre-notice to the landowners, without any information of any kind, he went to the site and pulled down people's houses for the so-called purpose of smart schools. It's very pathetic. We are complaining to the government because we are peace-loving people. We are not taking laws into our hands. His antecedents have led to the death of one of us on July 12, 2025, called Sochi Mauno. And again, he's on us. We don't know what we have done to this man. So what we are crying to is for the state government to intervene in this matter. We are crying because we know that His Excellency Dr. Peter Ndubisimba is a lawyer. We know that his deputy, Mr. Ifeanyi, Barrister Ifeanyi Osai, is a lawyer. The State Attorney General is a lawyer. All these people know that what it means to obey the law. And that I want to tell them, if they don't know, that Chiweta is trying to ridicule their profession. Yes. I'm calling on the Nigerian Bar Association, the Chief Judge of Enugu State, the Attorney General of Enugu State, to look into this matter. Because this matter is a cyclic effect. It is a cyclic effect in the sense that people of Etiti Ngwo is being humiliated even when they have a court judgment. It is a cyclic event that people at those authorities are lawyers and they are allowing things of this nature to happen. It is still so pathetic that people's property is destroyed under this kind of leadership, where we know that the governor and his officers are peace-loving people. We are therefore calling on them to please address this matter because it is capable of bringing breach of public peace.
What have you done? I'm aware that we had a project like this sometime last year. Yes. What have you done child, governor himself. What are the response? What are they telling you?
Before now, we've written a reaction notice to these people because they are not visibly citizens. We've written a reaction notice telling them what is happening. Ever since then, they have not responded. And that is why today we decided to go to the government house to make a proper presentation to either the chief of staff, the governor, whichever principal officer is there, so that they will